Good morning, guys. We're gonna get picked up right now to go to an elephant sanctuary. They got the whole hotel pre-set up for Christmas. Everyone's having breakfast right now, and yeah, we're gonna get the bite to eat, and then we're gonna head out. So, all right, I'll see you in a little bit.
So and then you hold like you have one by one sugar or banana. You like this. Don't let the elephant grab. Elephant gonna take you all. If you have food, elephant always follow you. After you feeding all and your back, you say nothing. You say like this. They let elephant smell. If no, they will gone away. That's why elephant is. They love you when you have food. Okay. If elephant, I love you if you give me Chiang Mai. Alright. Okay.
Alright guys, so this is Jai, he's our guide for today, and Living Green, they're dedicated to the well-being of these animals. They do a great job taking care of them, and we hope to learn a lot today. This is a dream come true for us, man, to be here on Christmas. So let's head over and meet the baby first. Alright guys, we're in the actual pen where they're roaming, and we have a baby elephant right behind me.
I'm feeling good.
Hi, sweetie.
Done with your food? I've got a little bit more here. You finished? No.
Oh, good girl. One more. Go. Yeah. Good girl. That's good.
Yeah. So the little one is very aggressive. Yeah.
You and your king. We wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Selfie and take photo with them. Malik, Lisa, Lisa, step on it. Lisa, having so much. Some of them prefer sugar cane. Some of them prefer water. Nhà nó đi có sao qua mấy đứa trẻ
Den har du.
Tem ó tao luôn á. Nè thôi con em bạn của ta cả. I want to be missing out.
Just move a little bit. May I say something?
You all know what you're stepping on, right? It's not much.
This is where they usually bathe. A couple people were giving them a bit of a bath, and I think that's it for here. So we're gonna go up to the next spot. So later.
Hello in their language. Umuchober. Umuchober. She is our tour guide. She will take care of us all. Okay. And if something, maybe madam, the trekking gonna be 2 hours altogether. We just come back to the villages in this way. This way we go. Going to the waterfall and turn around and come back. Halfway the same and halfway different. Okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. So
Alright guys, we're on the last part. We're starting our trek, and it should be about 2 hours. So yeah, we got our tour guide behind me. And hi.
Hi.
If anybody gets hurt, she's our girl. And yeah, let's have some fun. Where's the spider? Where is it?
See, there's spider.
Where spider, the longest leg in the world, you can find them rainy season until to the winter. Dry season is gone. When they have the baby, you can see the red baby. That's just why some of them we cannot see Baba. Okay, they cannot see the father, the male elephant.
What flavor of the coffee do you like? If you like fruity juicy, you should like roast. Come back here again. So today, thank you for come to us. So welcome drink from us today. Or you can drink.
I got that, but I don't know how it is.
This one's like.
So.
Alright guys, we just finished our trek. We're here, we're getting a little bit of tea to freshen up, and then it's about a 2-hour drive back to our area in Chiang Mai. They got some herbs and spices we can buy, and we're just kind of resting. We have 3 different groups that were from different tour companies, and they're all getting a bite to eat, having some tea. The next time you'll see me is at the hotel. We use Living Green Foundation Elephant Sanctuary that is in depth with the elephants. They're not mistreated, and every portion of the tour's donations go into providing medication and food for the animals. We're gonna go check out the marketplace and yeah, have a good time. We're gonna grab a bite to eat, and tomorrow early flight in Cambodia. So if you want to check out the next video, and yeah, peace and Merry Christmas.